Christmas is over. Now it's time to turn this gnome around and make him into our next season. You could use the autumn pattern stencil and make him into an autumn, go into Christmas time, or you can do Valentine's and go forward into the next season. I'm gonna show you Valentine's. All right, so we disassemble. I'm gonna get my towel out. We're gonna use the towel. Now that we're redoing the other side, we don't wanna mess up this side. And one thing I didn't address on the last video that we need to address is if you are using the nano tape or any adhesive, you wanna make sure things are thoroughly dry. So give it 24 hours before you stick anything. If you want varnish on this, do your varnish layer, and then 24 hours, and then you can do your nano tape. So just make sure that you're being careful not to peel your tape out. Okay, so we're gonna take everything apart, and it's very stuck. And then that just peels straight away. It's almost like stale chewing gum feeling. It doesn't have a super, it has a tough feel once you get it on there. So you're just gonna peel everybody away, and just peels right off. Now we put the towel out. If you don't have more than one, you probably want more than one, wash it in between times, that kind of thing. And we'll do the same techniques. We're gonna stop and introduce you to the color. We're gonna do the base coats kind of off camera, but we want you to know kind of what we're using. The boots are gonna be the same color. Our gloves are different. So I think the hat, the beard, and the little pom-pom are gonna be the same. And I think the nose is the same too. The nose is exactly the same as well. So nose, pom-pom, hat brim, beard are all the same. All right, the hat and the gloves are gonna be a pink color. Pinks are really hard to play with, so you wanna be careful. Never think you're seeing what you're seeing with pink. You wanna always know it's always gonna be brighter and stronger than it is in your eye. So we'll go with this lighter pink, and then we're gonna shade this. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this based. The reason we have this towel out is because the other side is painted already and it's already finished. So what we wanna do is, instead of turning the pieces, we wanna turn the towel. So if I need to change the direction I'm going, I will just change the direction of the towel, and I won't lift this up, because if you smear paint on this, that's what you're trying to prevent. We're gonna take number 45 and the mix. And we're really gonna wipe it off. Okay, and we are going to shade. Let's see, what we do on that side. Shade at the back, down the side. And then we're going to use our multi-masker. We're going to shade across the base of the hat. See it a little, it's super cute. And then I think I'll pick up white and wipe out my brush strongly. Then load the white, and we'll shade or highlight right in the middle. You can soften those pink edges at the middle, so I think that's good. Highlight the tips. Perfect. A little bit more white in there, in the middle. Okay, we're gonna pick up the number 27. and wipe that off and pick up the number 13 and make a blend. Wipe that off strongly. Multi-mask, soft, 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 soft pressure. Go back and pick up some more of the dark without the white, and we'll deepen. All right, let's have a lovely moment with our beard. So our beard, we're gonna take our brush, and we're gonna wipe it out with our gray, and then we are going to give it some flourishes that are going this way, and they're gonna go that way. Be careful of your set downs. We don't want too many of those. So now we'll go on top of that. I haven't done the middle yet. I need to get that done. But I want to wipe this paint off. Give it a little bit more. Okay, so now we have some background kind of gray going on. We're gonna go into our White Wonder brush. We're gonna pick up a lot of water, get our white paint, and splay it out a little bit. And so he has some like pockets of color. And then I'm just gonna dance. I'm not anchoring. I'm gonna get a little bit more white. Not anchoring, I'm just giving him some curls. Might have to go with a little bit more gray. Yep, gonna need some more gray. So see how the key is to get a bunch of little stripies on there? You want to pull them right out of the hat. You can actually go into that hat area and you guys pull them down. So if we put his nose on there, that's super cute. So I'm just making streaks. If I'm showing you, I'm going to use this packaging right here. The streak is to just barely push down, and the brush will do the work for you, but you can't push down. That doesn't make it pretty. So you want to just barely tap, and you're barely dancing to get that kind of streaky look. So it does have streaks over here. It's just too much push. So just a little bit more. And then just let your hand curve. If you get something ugly, blot it back up and you'll be fine. Now we'll go over this with a little bit of the white paint. Okay, he looks like a scraggly gnome. Super fun. All right, I want to show you how to glitter through this stencil. We're going to use our foiling glue, and we are going to use a pink color glitter. We'll do 2 coats of foiling glue, and we are going to lay our stencil down, get it where we want it, and then we're going to tape him down 2 places. Jumbo dauber, multi-masker, you're going to want to wash your stencil and your multi-masker off immediately so that this doesn't all dry on there. So you'll just go take it to the sink, wash it with cold water. And then I have a paper towel on my towel so that I can take the glitter mess away. The foiling glue will stay wet, but I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle this on while it will stay sticky once it's dry. But I'm gonna sprinkle this while it's wet because I can. You can see it sticking and doing the things. Okay, and we are going to just, ta-da! All right, so we have number 25, we have number 66, number 1, and number 81, all mixed with number 27, which is white. We're gonna make a little mix. There's not very much paint you're gonna need. And we'll mix them up one by one. Then you place the second part. So it's so great to have a mask for that. Okay, and we'll use number 13 with a little bit of black for our candy hearts. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right, so what do we have left? The feet. XOs are true love. We want to make a couple of our little guys into some pink hearts. Can mix 45 with 27. And how cute is that? Okay, so we have all of our pieces constructed. Let's put them together. So we're going to do the same thing as we did on the other side. I need to let him dry, so we're going to respect the drying time, but I am going to pile him all up together. So he's going to go that way. He's going to go that way. Aw, so cute. He goes that way. He gets a little pom-pom. And then he gets his little hearts. So darn stinking cute. I love him. I hope that you love these gnomes. This Valentine gnome makes my heart happy. I can't wait to see what you guys paint with it. So make sure that you share your pictures, ring the bell, subscribe, do all the things so you get future videos, even if it's not Project of the Month. We'll see you in the next video.